Welcome to Cooking with Bree. So, I don't really cook, but when I cook, I do okay sometimes. And I thought that I would bring y'all along with me on the journey. I'm going to put my hair up and we're going to get started, okay? Are the ingredients? Are the ingredients? You're going to need a stick of butter, can of evaporated milk, excuse me, nutmeg, vanilla, sugar, sweet potatoes, a mixer, and a bowl. Make it a sweet potato pie. Those are my potatoes. You're going to mix your butter and your potatoes. Nom nom nom. One thing that I forgot to include on the ingredients list, ingredients is eggs. 3 eggs per pie. I taste before the eggs. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.